How to fix Days Gone crashing on Windows. 1. Stop overclocking. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Verify the integrity of game files. 3.1. If you're playing Days Gone on Steam. 3.2. If you're playing the game on Epic Games Store. 4. Turn off overlays. 4.1. On Steam. 4.2 on GeForce Experience. 5. Other tips. 5.1. Restart your PC. 5.2 Check for the latest game updates. 5.3 Check if your PC supports the game. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 5.4 Enter Force D3. D11 into launch options under Days Gone's properties. Plan B, play Days Gone in windowed mode by a windowed string. 5.5 Uninstall then reinstall Days Gone.